In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manipulate tables in Microsoft Word, a skill that can be incredibly helpful for organizing data in a visually appealing and easy to read format. Whether you're drafting a report, putting together a proposal, or simply organizing information, tables can make your document much clearer and more professional. First things first, you'll want to open the Microsoft Word document where you'd like to insert or edit a table. Start by navigating to your file, ensuring it is ready for the addition of a table. If you haven't already inserted a table, you'll want to do so now. Simply go to the Insert tab at the top of your Word window. In the ribbon, you'll see the Table option. Click on it, and you'll have the choice to either drag over the grid to select your desired table size, or create a custom-sized table by selecting Insert Table from the drop-down menu. This flexibility allows you to design a table that suits the specific needs of your content. Once you have your table in the document, the next task is to adjust it as necessary. Click on the table to select it, and then you'll be able to drag the borders to resize it. Hover your cursor over the edges of the table until you see a double-headed arrow, and then click and drag to make the table larger or smaller according to your preference. This action can be performed for both rows and columns, allowing you to create a table layout that perfectly matches your data. After resizing, it's time to refine the orientation of the text within your table. Navigate to the Layout tab. This is found under Table Tools once your table is selected. This tab provides several options to modify your table's appearance and functionality. Look for the Text Direction button in the Layout section. Clicking this will allow you to change the direction in which your text is presented within each cell of your table. You can choose from a horizontal orientation, rotate it 90 degrees, or even stack it vertically. This feature is particularly useful for creating tables with narrow columns where horizontal text might not fit well. And just like that, you're done. By following these simple steps, you've not only learned how to insert and resize tables in Microsoft Word, but also how to adjust the text direction to best fit the content of your document. With these skills, your documents will look more organized and professional. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. As always, feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and have fun exploring more features within Microsoft Word.